Welcome to Barishal Cadet College and good morning to you all. Hope you all are fine at your home. Dear cadets, you have to follow the preventive tips for your safety. Firstly, wash hands with water and soap or sanitizer at least 20 seconds. Avoid contact with sick people. Don't touch eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands. Don't eat raw food, thoroughly cook meat and eggs. Avoid contact with animals and animal product. Due to corona pandemic, our regular classes are not taking place. So now I am here to take your class virtually. I am Abu Said, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Barishal Cadet College. In this class, I am going to discuss area of quadrilateral region from chapter 16.2 of your book. Learning outcome. After the class, you will be able to explain parallelogram and trapezium, determine area of trapezium region, solve quadrilateral related problems. Now, area of trapezium region. Two parallel sides of a trapezium region and the distance of perpendicular between them are given. Let ABCD be a trapezium whose length of parallel sides AB is equal to A and CD is equal to B, and distance between CE is equal to AF is equal to H. Diagonal here, diagonal AC divides the trapezium region ABCD into two triangles. Here ABC and the triangle ACD. So area of the trapezium region ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC and plus area of triangle ACD. We know area of triangle ABC is equal to half into AB into C. That means we know area of the triangle is equal to half into length into height. Half into breadth into height. That means half into AB into C. In the same way, we can write area of the triangle ACD is equal to half into CD into AF. Here AF height, here C height. So we can write AB, that means A. AB is equal to A and C is equal to H. In the same way, here AF is equal to H and CD is equal to B. That means half of H plus half of BS. Here half of A is common, then A plus B. So area of the trapezium region is equal to half into H into A plus B. That means half into sum of the parallel sides into height. This is our required formula. Now we use this formula to solve trapezium related problem. Now first question. The length of two parallel sides of a trapezium are 91 centimeter and 51 centimeter, and the length of other two sides are 37 centimeter and 13 centimeter respectively. Determine the area of the trapezium. Now solution. Let a trapezium ABCD. Here ABCD is a trapezium, and here given AB is equal to 91 and CD is equal to 51. Now let us draw a perpendicular DE and CF, and D on AB from D and C respectively. Now CDEF is a rectangle. Here EF is equal to CD. That means this CD and EF are equal here. That means CD is equal to 51. That's why you can write EF is equal to 51. Now let AE is equal to X. So DE is equal to CF is equal to S. Let AE is equal to X and DE and CF is a height. That means is equal to S. Now BF. Now BF is equal to AB minus AF. That means here given AB is equal to 91. And that's why you can write AB is equal to 91 and AF is equal to AE plus EF. Here, we know AE is equal to X and EF is equal to 51. Because the CD and EF are equal, that's why we can write EF is equal to 51. Now 91 minus 51, that means 40 minus X. BF is equal to 40 minus X. Now from triangle ADE is equal to, here this is a right angle triangle. We know from Pythagoras hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. That's why we can write AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Here AE means X and DE means X, and here given AD is equal to 13. Now putting this value here, then we can write AE square is equal to X square, DE square equal to H square, and AD square is equal to 13 square. That means X square plus H square is equal to 169. This is number 1. Now again, the right angle triangle BCF. From Pythagoras, we can write BF square plus CF square is equal to BC square. Now we know CF is equal to H and BC is equal to 37 and BF is equal to 40 minus X. Now putting this value here, then we can write BF is equal to 40 minus X whole square plus CF is equal to H square and BC square is equal to 37 square. Here A minus B whole square formula here using here. Then we can write 40 square, that means 1600 minus 2AB, that means 2 into 40 into X, that means 80X minus plus X square plus H square is equal to 1369. Now here we know X square plus H square is equal to 169. Now putting this value here, then we can write 1600 minus 80X plus 169 is equal to 1369. After calculating this, we can write X is equal to 5. Now putting the value of X in 1, then we can write 5 square plus H square is equal to 169. Or H square is equal to 169 minus 25. That means 144. Therefore, H is equal to 12. Now we know area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel side into H. So our H is equal to, here given H is equal to 12 and AB is equal to 91 and CD is equal to 51. Now putting this value here, then we can write half into 91 plus 51 into 12. After calculating this, we can write 1852 square centimeter. This is our required answer. Now another question. Difference of the length of two parallel sides of a trapezium is 8 centimeter and their perpendicular distance is 24 centimeter. If the area of the trapezium is 312 square centimeter, then find the length of the two parallel sides of the trapezium. Here, now solution. Let the length of two parallel sides be A and B, and the perpendicular distance 8. Here given the the length of two parallel sides of the trapezium 8. That means A minus B here given 8, and their perpendicular distance 24. That means A is equal to 24, and the area of the trapezium 312 square centimeter. Then find the length of two parallel sides of trapezium. Now, according to the question, we can write area of the trapezium. We know the formula area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of the two parallel sides into height. So here given area of the trapezium is equal to 312. That's why we can write 312 is equal to half into A plus B into H. Now here putting the value H is equal to 24 here. Then we can write 312 is equal to half into A plus B into 24. After calculating this, we can write A plus B is equal to 26. This is equation number 1. Now here another condition here given, difference of the length of two parallel sides. That means A minus B is equal to 8. This is equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2, we get 2A is equal to 34. That means A is equal to 17. Now subtracting 1 and 2, then we get 2B is equal to 18. That means B is equal to 9. The length of two parallel sides are 17 and 9 centimeter. This is our required answer. Now another question. The distance from the center of the vertex of a regular octagon is 1.5 meter. Find the area of the octagon. Here given the distance from the center of the vertex of regular octagon is 1.5 meter. Find the area of the octagon. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H be a regular octagon. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Join the vertex from the center. Here center O. As a result, we have produced a triangle. We have produced triangle whose area are equal to each other, and the angle of the center is 360. Here the angle is 360, and the triangles are here the equal triangles. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write angle COD is equal to 360 divided 8. That means 45 degree. Now let the distance between the vertex from the center of the meter is A is equal to 1.5 meter, because here given the distance from the center of the vertex of regular octagon is 1.5. That means this portion, the value of this portion is 1.5. Here let A is the portion. So we can write A is equal to 1.5 meter. Now area of triangle COD is equal to half into A sine angle COD, because we know the area of the triangle, if two sides and angle are given, then the formula area of the triangle is equal to half into side into sine angle COD. That means area of triangle COD is equal to half into A sine angle COD. Now half into A sine 45 degree square centimeter. Now half into here sine 40, we know sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, and A is equal to 1.5. Now putting this value here, then we can write 2.25 divided 2 root 2. Now area of the octagon is equal to 8 into area of triangle COD. That means 8 into 2.25 divided 2 root 2. That means 6.36 square meter. This is our required answer. Now another question. The length of the rectangular flower garden is 150 meter and breadth is 100 meter. For nurturing the garden, there is a path of wide 3 meter along the length and breadth right at the middle of the garden. Now question number A, describe the above information with figure. Now question number B, determine the area of the path. And question number C, how many bricks of 25 centimeter length and 12.5 centimeter wide will be required to make the path adult? Now solution. Let PQRS be a rectangular garden and length PQ. PQ is equal to SR is equal to 150 and the breadth PS and QR is equal to 100. Here given this is a rectangular flower garden and the length 150 and breadth 100. So there is a road of 3 meter wide along with length and breadth right of the middle. Here this is a road 3 meter wide of the middle of the garden, EFGS and LMNO respectively. So the common part 3 of 3 roads is ABCD. Now the answer question number B. Along the length of the garden, that means this portion, the area of the road is length into breadth. Here length 150 and breadth 3. That means we can write 150 into 3 square meter. That means 450 square meter. And the width of the garden, the area of the road. Here area of the road is length into breadth. That means here this portion is 100 and this portion is 3. That's why you can write 100 into 3 square meter. That means 300 square meter. Now the total area of the road, that means this part and this part is 450 plus 300. That means 750. But this portion are common of these two road, this road and this road. That's why the area of this portion is 3 into 3. That means 9 square meter. So with the area of the road of the area of common part has been added 2 times. That's why we can write area of the road 750 minus 9. That means 741 square meter. This is our required answer. Now question number C. From B, area of the road 741 square meter. Given length of the brick 25 centimeter. That means 0.25 meter. And breadth of the bricks 12.5 centimeter. That means 0.125 meter. So area of the brick is length into breadth. That means 0.25 into 0.125. That means 0.03125 square meter. So required number of bricks 741 divided 0.03125. That means 23712. This is our required answer. Now another question. The length of two parallel sides of a trapezium are 61 centimeter and 41 centimeter, and the length of other two sides 25 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. Then draw the figure of the trapezium with above phenomena and find its perimeter. Now question number B, find the outer area of the length of two diagonal and the rectangle whose adjacent sides are formed by the parallel sides of trapezium. Now question number C, find out the area of the trapezium. Now solution. Now first we draw the figure of the trapezium, the above information. So this is our required figure. Here given that the length of two parallel sides 61 centimeter and 41 centimeters, and the length of other two sides 25 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So, and find its perimeter. We know perimeter is equal to perimeter of the trapezium ABCD is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. That means 41 plus 25, 41 plus 25 plus 61 plus 15. That means 142 centimeter. This is our required answer. Now find out the area of the length of two diagonal of the rectangle whose adjacent sides are formed by the parallel side of the trapezium. According to the question, length of the rectangle 61 centimeter and breadth 41 centimeter. So area of the rectangle. We know area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here given length 61 and breadth 41. Now putting this value here, then we can write 61 into 41. That means 2501 square centimeter. And length of the diagonal. We know the length of the diagonal of rectangle is root length square plus breadth square. That means 61 square plus 41 square. That means 73.50 centimeter approximate. Since length and each diagonal of the rectangle are equal, therefore length of the diagonal 73.50 centimeter approximately. This is our required answer. Now question number C. Here given AB is equal to 41, BC is equal to 25, and CD is equal to 61, and AD is equal to 15 centimeter. Now we cut DE from D is equal to AB from CD and join B. Now AB is equal to D and AB and D are parallel. So therefore ABCD is a parallelogram, and B is equal to AD is equal to 15. Here BE is equal to AD is equal to 15 centimeter, and CE is equal to CD minus D. That means CD minus AB. That means 6. Here AB is equal to 41. That's why 61 minus 41 centimeter. That means 20 centimeter. Now half perimeter of triangle BEC is equal to BE plus C plus BC by divided 2. That means 15 plus 20 plus 25 divided 2. That means 30. Now area of triangle BEC is equal to root. We know the area of scalar triangle is equal to root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here S means half of perimeter, that means 30. Now putting the values here, S means 30 into 30 minus A means 15. And 30 minus B, that means 20, and 30 minus C, that means 25. Now putting this value here, then after calculating this, we can write 150 square meter. This is our required area of the triangle. Now draw BF perpendicular CD from the point B, and BF is equal to 8 centimeter. So area of triangle BEC is equal to half C into BF. We know area of the triangle is equal to half into C into BF. Now putting this value here, we know area of BEC is equal to 150. and half into 20 into h. After calculating this, we can write h is equal to 15. Here h means BF. That's why we can write BF is equal to 15. This is our required height. So we know area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. We know AB sides of the parallel sides AB and CD, and also we find H is equal to 15. Now putting this value here, then we can write half into 41 plus 61 into 15. That means 765 square centimeter. This is our required answer, area of the trapezium. Now this is your homework. If the length of each sides of regular pentagon is 4 centimeter, determine its area. Now question number B, the distance of the center of the vertex of regular hexagon is 4 meter, then determine its area. And now question number C, the area of the parallelogram is equal to the area of the square region. If the base of parallelogram is 125 meter and the height is 5 meter, then find the length of the diagonal of the square. That's all for today. If you have any query, you can ask that in the comment section. Lastly, I would like to remind you the most important thing in this critical situation. You must stay home and keep yourself safe. Stay fine. Thank you.